Okay, so I have my model here, and what I need to do is to insert another plumbing model that I'm going to use as a guide for this particular project. And as you can see, let me type VV and go to my links. And at the moment, the only link that I'm using is the architect's link. And what I need to do is bring in the plumbing model and use it as a link, as a guide, in order to continue setting up this. This is a parking structure, but what I need is a foundation for the plumbing model. So what I've done is gone to the samples that Revit comes with, and what I need to do is link in the Snowden Towers plumbing, the sample plumbing. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. So I'll click on the sample, and the position is going to be internal origin to internal origin, and I'm going to say open. I'm going to close this, and as you can see, the plumbing model has been inserted. Let's go back to VV and look at our links, and it has been updated to show the plumbing model has been updated and is now inserted into the current project. This is my current project, and these are the links. And so as you can see, this blue represents cold water coming into the building. So I'm going to type VV. Let's type VV, go to the links and uncheck the plumbing model. And when I say OK, that you can see that that link is now off in this particular view. So I'm going to turn it back on by doing undo. Okay. So the first thing I need to do is find out, or let me, first thing I need to do is set up the view range, because there's probably some floor drains in here. I know that there are floor drains in here, having looked at the model independent of this view. Let's apply, well, let's just go okay, because I want to set up okay. Because I want to set up the foundation plan. I don't need anything above, I don't know, a foot, maybe 2 feet above the floor plan of this parking structure. And as you can see, these are floor drains. Floor drain for the parking. And these are all floor drains. And it looks like it's going down, and then it's gonna out into where civil is gonna pick this up. Okay. So if I need to uncheck so that I can select the links, and if you come over and you hover and click tab, and you can see that that is pipes type copper, so you know that that's water. And you come over to the next one, and it is, let's do tab, and let's see what that is. That's the roof drainage system type. Let's go to the next one. I'm just hovering over and clicking left click, and that is parking drainage. Let's go to the next one. That is building sanitary. So now that we have that information, let's set up our view range for our, this is going to be a foundation plan. There's going to be a water, and sanitary is going to be the foundation, but there's also going to be a water view. And the best way for your foundation plan is to set up your view range, make this a negative, and you want to set the cut plane. I'm going to set this at 1 feet, and my top plane is going to be, it has to be greater than 1, so it's going to be, let's say it's 2, and then apply. And we should see this information go off. I'm going to say okay. And so the information that was up here is now gone, and everything that is above 2 feet is not showing. So what I would do is come over and rename P parking. Let's do this. I'm going to duplicate this view and call it parking foundation. So I duplicated first, and then I renamed the view to parking foundation. And this parking is going to be for water, and this is going to be for the foundation, meaning whatever's going through the floor slab or the slab in the parking area is going to show up in this view. Okay, so I hope that helps. I'm going to continue with this Snowden project and set up my views and set up what I need for the foundation and the rest of my notes and the rest of it. Okay, so I hope that helped, guys, and I will talk to you guys later.